Okay, testing, 1, 2, 3. So, this is my little tutorial, I guess, for how you do 4-digit by 4-digit multiplication. So we're gonna start off by making our algorithm here. Right here, I'm just contemplating which brush to use. So the multiplication is 1,401 by, this one took me a little bit of time to figure out, just give me a minute because this is future me, 5,968. So we're just going to draw a line to separate it. Remember to add the time symbol. So first we're going to start multiplying by 8. So remember to section everything. We're going to start with adding I think this will help it if you separate everything by ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. That just helps a bit. Anyways, so now we're gonna do it by the ones. So 8 by 1. So let's start off. It's gonna be 8. And then 0, because 8 times, 8 times, 0 times anything is 0. And 8 times 1 is 8. And then 8 times 4 is 32. Add the 2 there, and then carry on the 3. And that's gonna create 11 because you gotta add, so you multiply the 8 by the 1, and then you add on the 3, and that's gonna be 11. So I think after this you're gonna catch the gist of it. Now we're gonna start multiplying by 6s. But first, of course, you need to jot down a 0. So put down a 0. And now we're gonna start multiplying. So 6 by 1 is 6. 6 by 0 is 0. 6 by 4 is 24. Put the 4 down, and then carry the 2. Give me a minute. And then carry the 2 onto the 1. And now 6 by 1 equals 6 plus the 2 makes 8. So give me a minute to write this down because, of course, it's future voiceover. And now we're going to go on to the hundreds. So I think you've already caught the gist of it by now. We're going to add 2 zeros this time because they're times you get by hundreds. So give me a minute. I told you this already, but it's future voiceover. So 3 zeros, 2. Sorry, half a little bit. So give me a minute. So 9 by 1, 9. 9 by 0, 0. 9 by 4, I'm 6. So give me a minute to figure this out. 9 by 4 is 32. This is future me talking, by the way. So that's why the thing's a little bit delayed. Okay, hurry up me. Okay, anyways. So, I'm gonna put the 3 there, yep. And now, that's gonna make our little guy. And then 3 times 1, 9 times 1 is 9, and then plus the 3 is 12. Now we're going to do thousands, and I think you caught the gist of it already. 3 zeros this time. So 1, 2, 3. 5 by 1, 5. This one's the easiest bit. So 5 by 1 is 5. 5 by 0 is 0. 5 by 4 is 20, 0. Put on the 2. And then 5 by 1 is 1, plus the 2 is 7. Now, little me's having a little seizure right here, so give her a bit of time. Okay, I know I'm taking a long time. I know. Just put it on already. I got a seizure right here. Yeah, finally. Okay, put the 7. And now you've done all of that. So now we're going to go on to adding. Separate it, and now make sure to add the plus sign so you know what you're doing. So most of this is pretty easy. So wait a minute. 8 by 0, 8, 6 by 0, 6, 2 by 9 is 11, plus carry the 1 onto the next number. And then 5 by 5 plus 5 makes another 11, plus the 1 onto that. And then that's going to create 2 plus the 8. That's going to make 10, plus the 6, that's 16. Now we add the 1, that's going to be 3. And then we just add that. So that's how you do multiplication. Now, just to be sure, we are actually going to jump onto Google and check my calculator, just to make sure. So we hop onto here and put in our sum. So 1,401 times, what did I have? 5,968. So let's go into here, and it's what we get here. So what we got was 8361168. Past me actually went to check because they didn't know. So see, we got 8361168 and 68. Then from here we got 8361168. So that is how you do 4-digit by 4-digit multiplication. I know this tutorial wasn't that good, but I did my best. So thank you and bye.